Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so you don't chase ghosts. Update the game and patch level because mismatched builds often block saves. Once done, back up the squad, export, screenshot player ID and chemistry so you can restore if needed. Make sure your internet is stable and the server shows online. Intermittent connections cause failed saves. This first sweep prevents common errors and positions you to apply the specific fixes that follow without losing progress. Next, resolve conflicts that stop the save. You should close overlays, mods, and background sync tools because they lock files. This eliminates resource contention. Then clear the game's local cache and temporary files to remove corrupted state that blocks writes. After that, start a fresh session and recreate the squad step by step. This isolates the exact action causing failure. By doing these middle steps, you identify whether the issue is external interference, corrupted local state. To finish, attempt the save and watch closely for errors. Note any codes and the last change you made. If it fails, force a server sync. Log out, reboot the console/PC, log back in, and resubmit the squad. This often clears auth or session mismatches. If the problem persists, provide support your backups, screenshots, and error details so they can reproduce it. A key troubleshooting tip: try saving a minimal squad if that works. Add players incrementally to find the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.